Third step, degrease. Make sure you get it really good, because they touch their hands on that crap, you know. Degreasing. Been using this soap for 26 years. Matter of fact, I washed 250,000 of these right here in my life with the same soap, and I used an acid. Degreasing real good. So nasty. These haven't been cleaned in the lifetime. Maybe the first day when they were painted. But he's gonna get the tops of them, because people touch them and they don't want to be touching nasty grease from restaurants and stuff. So whatever that is, we're gonna nail that with the turbo nozzle, and we'll show you the next step after this. This is a sodium hydroxide with a hydrofluoric acid. It's called Trailer Bright from KO, and it works great. Still burning. Thanks for watching. This is step 3. Or no, is this step 1 or 2? Step 1 was broom and shovel. Step 2 is blow. Step 3 is degrease. Step 4 is pressure wash. So this is step 3. Thanks for watching.